Hey guys, Bubba Sawyer here, coming at you with a quick video. We're not going to keep this long, just a little update. You know, this Sunday, the previous owner had snagged this and had bent it back. Instead of bending it back down and gluing it back, they had broke it off right here. This is a piece cover. See it flexing when I move it? Let's see if I can take pliers and pull this all the way off back to here. Then I'm gonna go to my white parts Jeep and try to take the one off of it. I got some JB Weld epoxy, clear epoxy to mix up to put in that channel and press it back on with a mallet of some sorts. But you ain't gotta worry too much about getting this one off, you know, breaking it, because it's already ruined. So we're gonna get back at you when we start getting it peeled off here, when I get a set of pliers. So I got my tools locked up from while I'm getting an axle this coming weekend. I was supposed to get it this weekend and do a video showing it, but it rained all day Saturday. I told the guy I'd get it next week. I got my tools locked up on the trailer. So anyway, we got these, it's called a vice grip. Not really made for this, but we're gonna yank this off without, well, I'm, you know, just gonna yank it off without, you know, ruining the paint, what I'm trying to say. See, basically, just comes off. Now, when we get the one out the white Jeep, we do not want to do that. We do not want to crease it. We want to try to get it off without putting any dents and wrinkles in it. And see what we got. So let's head on over to the parts rig. Here we are, guys. A good windshield washing fluid bottle. Might need that later. Real quickie, take a piece of cardboard, or like I did the license plate, I used the back side because I probably have to turn it back in when I get it transferred over. I went down this number at the top and bottom, went down through here and put a coat of black. I just used the cheap Walmart paint to do just to cover that rust up, give it a coat. Then I went ahead and painted this while I had it off. So we'll get it snapped on, we'll get back at you. You just gotta put it on there. I straightened it out. Take your hand and snap it in there, because it's got little grooves inside there, like a little trim. So we'll get back at you. Got it on, guys. We're gonna take the license plate and or a piece of cardboard up here and spray down in this channel, because we got some rust right back there. But once you get that done, that's how you get on. We don't need epoxy, because inside of this outer piece there's little metal clips glued in there already. So you just have to put them on through the top and hook them, then roll it down and do like this. Get in there. So this has been a video tutorial showing you how to change the gutter, they call it, trim piece that goes over the, not the actual gutter, it's the trim that gives it that nice look. There it is, guys, the gutter trim on a 97 to 01 Cherokee. 96 and under is probably the same deal. I don't have a 96 or under Cherokee, but the 84 to 96 should be the same as the 97 to 01. No replacement. The other side's good. So basically, if you want to, you could use both sides. Like me, if I would have bent this and broke it, I could have got the passenger side, because it's the same list, same thing. Just flip it the other way. So there it is, guys, installing the gutter trim on a 97 to 01 Cherokee. Thanks for watching, guys.